So in this video we'll learn how to shut down and start up your standby server. So this is our primary where we can verify from VDollar database. I have connected to primary database. It's in read write mode where we can verify the arclog list. The current log sequence number found to be 274 in our primary. And this is our standby. So ensure we have connected to the standby. The Oracle SID have connected to stan and the standby server. Let's verify the status. So it's a physical standby, and verify the process whether MRP and RFS are in up and running. From VDollar manage_standby we can verify the MRP and RFS are up and running. We can see the MRP was up and RFS will receive remote file server and MRP will apply. So these two processes are up and running in standby. So it's 274 the same which we have in primary. So this is your primary database and this is your standby where we have MRP up and running waiting for the log. So now we'll shut down. We need to cancel the recovery process MRP using alter your database recover managed under standby database cancel. It's got cancelled. Let's verify the process. MRP was stopped after we cancel the recovery process. Now we can shut down your standby server. To shut down your standby server, cancel recovery process. The MRP should be stopped. Using shutdown immediate will shut down now. So it's done with shutdown. We shut down our standby server only if any maintenance. If there is any maintenance, we will shut down. Unless maintenance, we will never shut down our standby server. Now we'll see how to start your standby server. We need to keep in mount state the standby server. So we'll start with mount state. It's got mounted. Now we'll keep in recovery mode. We can still verify now the process is not started. The MRP process will not start. So physical standby is in mounted state now. We can see only RFS is up, not the MRP. To start your MRP process, we need to keep in recovery mode. So use alter database. Alter database recover managed standby and your database disconnect from the last session. Now the database got altered. We can verify whether MRP is up and running. From VDollar manage standby will verify. So it's waiting. It's waiting for the log. We'll do a log switch in our primary now. We'll verify whether we're able to apply the archive from the primary. I have repeated the statement 5 times. Now let's verify the arclog list in your primary. It's a 279. So found to be arclog sequence is current at 279, and we'll verify whether it's able to receive and apply or not. It's got received and applied. Before it was 275 and now it's 279. We're able to receive the archives from primary and able to apply after restart of your standby. So in this session we have learned how to shut down by cancelling your recovery process, and how to start your standby server and keep in recovery mode and verify archives are applying or not, and ensure that MRP and RFS process are running in your standby server. Done guys, thank you.